Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, entertainment gossip. If you are someone who likes that type of content, then this is the channel for you. Guys, one thing about people, people abantu abafuna ukuyibona into enhle. You know, abantu abafuni guys ubona into enhle like sana. So guys, Lerato Nxumalo is currently trending at the moment. She recently got married. It was such a beautiful, intimate wedding, you know. She only invited people that she trusted. God, don't trust anyone in these streets, okay? She only invited people that she trusted because it was an intimate wedding. And also Lerato Nxumalo, those who know her, they know what she has been keeping her relationship private, you know, maybe for her own personal reasons, or she doesn't want to involve her partner in this industry, you know. Maybe she just wanted to have something private really. So now girl got married, and then Musa Kaula was exposing the husband on Twitter, exposing the pictures of the husband, you know, saying, yeah, this is Lerato Nxumalo's husband, this and that, you know. And also Kesana, there are rumors circulating around Ukuti. Allegedly, it could be someone from the wedding, because all along Lerato Nxumalo has been dating this person. There were no rumors, there were no nothing. And then now this person gets married, invited close friends. You can't trust anyone these days. You can't trust anyone, even your friends. They will stab you with a knife, you know. So guess people are just there. There are pictures on the internet saying this person is allegedly Lerato Nxumalo's husband, you know, this and that. So Lerato Nxumalo is taking legal action. Lerato Nxumalo is planning to take legal action because she is tired of people talking about her, you know. And I mean, I feel like, okay, this is just a personal opinion. If it was me, guys, I would just let it go, you know. Okay, fine. Senimbonile kumuntu wami, then what? Like, then what? You know? But Lerato Nxumalo is taking legal action. Girl is tired. She is taking legal action. I hope I don't get sued, guys. I didn't say anything bad. I'm just saying, leave Lerato Nxumalo alone. Like, Ukel has been dating this person for years. You guys were quiet. Now that she gets married, you want to belittle the marriage. Hayi sana, no, people abantu abafuna ukuyibona into enhle. Abantu abafuni nje ukuyibona into enhle. You know? Like why? You can't even be happy in private because people will always be coming for you. Hey, on other news, guys, Sana, do you guys still remember Olerato Kganyago when she posted on her Instagram stories months ago that there are people that are following her, there are people that are stalking her, whatnot, ne? So it turns out that those people that were following her, those people are following her because her husband is allegedly involved in corruption. Kuthiwa ke sana, the husband is allegedly spending money for days, imali corruption. Do you guys still remember when Lerato's husband bought her a very nice car? And then there was a time where the husband bought her, I'm not sure if it's a restaurant or it's a club, but I'm telling you, like a whole business. I still remember Lerato Kganyago even posted like ukuthi she is hiring, you know, posting on her Instagram stories that she's looking for people, you know, to join the, I think it was waitresses or mama waiters or something like that, you know. And then people were like, yo, Sana, Lerato Kganyago, whatever you said in your prayers, Sisi, we are also rooting for that prayer because Sana, your husband is always like buying you things, buying you gifts. Your husband uphethe kahle. Hayi ke manje kuthiwa ke allegedly, ne? You don't want to get sued for something. Kodwa kuthiwa allegedly nje the guy is involved with corruption, the guy is eating that money. So manje they are following Lerato Kganyago maybe to get leads or something, because it could happen Shamguti Lerato Kganyago didn't know anything, because these men, it could happen ukuthi girl didn't know anything or bekazi, but I don't think she knew, but it's, so she is now being followed by these people. I'm not sure if they're doing investigations or they're doing what, but kuthiwa nje the husband is involved there kuma corrupt. Hi sana kuningi. Kuningi, I'm just hoping it's not true sana. Like, I'm a fan yaka Lerato Kganyago, and also a fan yaka Lerato Nxumalo. Guys, leave uLerato Nxumalo and her marriage alone. Cabanga, it's not even 6 months that you got married, and there's already problems in your marriage. For sure, I enjoy you know what? I should have just kept my marriage a secret and not invited anyone, because sana, what's the Hey, abantu abafuna ukubona into enhle sham. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.